In today's video, folks, we are going to be talking about an awesome and exciting new partnership, which is essentially going to integrate the football and cryptocurrency industry. XBO.com, a cryptocurrency company, have partnered up with the Argentina football, like soccer team, to essentially create an awesome partnership. This essentially is uniting champions from both the cryptocurrency and the football sphere to essentially create a really dynamic duo, launching an era of crypto-powered sports excitement. Let's check them out. And always make sure you do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency projects that we do talk about on this channel, because these videos are never financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. Let's get into the video. And if there are anyone out there watching who wants to connect with this project, all the links will be at the very top of the description of this video. Let's get into it. What's also really exciting is that XBO.com are also going to be working closely with AFA as well. And there's just plenty of stuff that you can do, guys, with XBO.com. Trading, winning competitions, items such as jerseys and things like that from some of your most famous football stars, guys. Heaps of stuff here through your spot trading, your futures trading. You got an earn section, crypto payx, and even its own exchange. The winners of these competitions, where you can also even win VIP tickets to go to games, will be all conducted through a leaderboard. So again, it's going to be based on how much you're using and trading on XBO.com. So let's just really take a moment to pause and actually think about the gravity of this. Think about how popular football is, not just in one specific country, but worldwide. For example, people looking in on the Argentina football team are not just people from Argentina. There might be people from Australia, other parts of Europe, America, people for whatever reason absolutely crazy about sports and high-level football. So this, in my opinion, is one of those use cases for cryptocurrency and one of these partnerships which I think is extremely organic and just makes perfect sense, because essentially what it is doing is allowing for a seamless, natural bridge from supporters, fans, anyone that is influenced or involved in the Argentina football team or any football related content, and allowing them to bridge over to cryptocurrency. And which project is there on the other side of this organic bridge to greet them? Well, it's XBO.com. Do you understand? Because they have that integration, they are involved, so it starts to get them excited, because in my opinion, that's one of the biggest barriers to entry for, I'm talking about the 90% plus global mainstream that aren't yet involved in cryptocurrency. They don't really have a reason to get involved in cryptocurrency. But if you go ahead and say to them, hey, you can win things like VIP tickets, stadium tours, signed jerseys, experiences with people from the football team, and basically any memorabilia or anything related to football at all, and all they need to do to get involved is, oh hey, sign up and start using XBO.com, put a few trades down, win a few bonuses, well, they're probably going to go ahead and do it, because a lot of these people would pay a lot of money, probably hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars for things like jerseys and VIP experiences and things like that. So if there's like an easier way to potentially go ahead and win these prizes through using XBO.com, then I personally feel like it's a pretty objective statement to say that they are probably going to go ahead and do it. So I'm feeling very, very bullish generally about the prospect of XBO.com for these reasons. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, and make sure you smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of crypto content. All right, now I want to show you guys some of the standout XBO.com advantages, okay? So the most important thing, in my opinion, that I've spoken about multiple times on this channel is the support team, guys, with projects. You want to know, especially for those newcomers that have never really experienced anything in crypto before, they want to know that if they're going to run into some kind of issue, they do have a dedicated support team ready to handle their issues quickly and hassle-free. Of course, they've got their loyalty rewards program, guys. You've got your fast order executions when you're actually buying, selling, that kind of thing, trading, all right? You've got your wide selection of coins, such as your Sols, your Doge coins, Bitcoin, of course, as well as Ethereum and some other altcoins as well. Multiple payment methods is also really important as well, because many of these people, again, are not going to have cryptocurrency non-custodial wallets that us crypto bros are more familiar with, but rather they're going to want to be depositing crypto directly from their bank account and perhaps their card. So having the multiple payment methods option there is really, really good as well, okay? Transparent trading conditions, user-friendly verification process is really, really important as well. So just not really creating sort of too hard onboarding. You know, that barrier to entry is pretty low, okay? Low transaction commissions, which is great, okay? So you keep a higher percentage of your revenue compared to a lot of other exchanges. The high-tech security practices is extremely important, guys. So enjoy unparalleled protection for your data and funds, all right? So a lot of these things are really exciting and good to see that they are at the forefront of XBO.com. And also, guys, just to touch on that security a little bit more, guys, the XBO.com team exchange employees technologies created by AWS, Cloudflare, Fireblocks Ledger, and Fugu to provide a secure environment for your operations. Our platform complies with CCSS Level 3 security requirements, SOC2 accreditation, and SSL protocols, and you can go ahead and learn a bit more about that. So very much high level security there as well, guys. Stay active as well, guys, and unlock more benefits, guys, so you can take full advantage of our exclusive loyalty program. You got to collect XP for almost every action to level up your tier, and then you'll enjoy better conditions and rewards the higher you go. So stay active, guys, daily. Get involved. Check out what's going on, okay? There was also mention here about XBO.com in the Digital Banker, which is a good little article that you can go ahead and read there. And here, as we can see, guys, it is available from the App Store and on the Google Play Store as well. So overall, guys, make sure you stay active with this project, guys. Get signed up. Again, the sign up link will be at the very top of the description of this video. Go ahead, get signed up, check out the website, and go ahead and get involved in all of the different challenges that are incrementally made available through XBO.com, guys. And do remember, guys, these videos are not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers, guys.